Hi, it's Darnell with Recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking up turkey burgers in the Ninja Crispi portable cooking system. So let's get cooking right now. Okay, so here I've got the Ninja Crispi. I've got a couple pounds of ground turkey, and for seasoning I'm going to use some organic no salt seasoning as well as some garlic and herb seasoning. And so to start out, I'm just going to take the seasonings, just kind of pressing out the meat some in this bowl, and just going to shake in my seasonings to season up the meat. And you can of course use your favorite seasonings for burgers or turkey burgers or whatever it is that you like to put in yours is just fine. So just seasoning things up good. And now that I've got lots of seasoning in there, I just kind of grind up the meat with the seasoning. So pull that forward and finish grinding things up really good. I'm just going to try and pat out about 4 big burgers and set them over here on the crisper rack. Alright, so I got 4 patties set out. Some are bigger than others, but I just kind of like to eyeball it and do it by hand. And so just going to take the lid of the Ninja Crispi, the Power Pod as they call it, put it on top there. Okay, so now I'm going to set it over to air fry. I'm going to up the cooking time to 30 minutes. Those bigger ones might need more time than others. We'll see how things go. And so I'm going to go ahead and hit start, and we'll let things cook for a while. Alright, I've let things go for about 20 minutes because I wanted to make sure things got cooked as well as possible before trying to turn anything or move anything. And so yeah, I'm going to try and turn them over now. I think if I'd have tried earlier, they wouldn't have been cooked at all on the bottom, and then some of the bottom would stick more to the crisper plate. So it's much easier after waiting longer to turn them over. Get this last one. Yeah, so that's pretty good. So putting the lid back on. So I'm going to go up to about 15 minutes or so left and hit start with that. And we'll see how things turn out. It just looks like they need a bit more time than just 9 minutes or 10 minutes. Alright, so things have been cooking for about 30 minutes at this point. I'm just going to check if I need that additional 5 minutes or not. So, sticking the meat crib. Oh wow, it's like the 200s. That's actually good. I want it. Yeah, it's like in the 190s. I'm surprised. I didn't think it was going to be that. They were going to all be done this quick. The way they were looking when I turned them. Yeah, that's real good. So, I'm just going to check again. Check another spot. Yeah. Yeah, they're all done. 30 minutes. Good deal. Alright, so I'm going to grab this one here and just put it on my plate. And I've got myself some barbecue sauce that I'm going to put on my turkey burger. You can of course use any condiments and such of your choosing. That looks tasty. So let's go ahead and do a quick taste test. Alright, so I'm going to put the bread on top. This is some homemade whole wheat light sourdough bread. There's a video here on the channel for it. But thank God for this turkey burger, and let's go ahead and try and get a bite in. Alright, so it tastes good, turned out well, very well done, and so it's all good with me. And so the Ninja Crispi did it, cooks up burgers well, no problem at all. And so nothing in this video is sponsored, nothing given to me. In the video description there are lots of ways to help the channel. You can also always check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. Again, that's superwaveovenrecipes.com. There's buy me a coffee link there. Also in the video description there's a buy me a coffee link, and there's things like membership, donations, link to the Amazon shop where you pay the same price, help the channel. So lots of ways to help there. And so, with all of that said, if you did like the video, please do give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe, hit that notification icon, and good eating.